Welcome to a C++ tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be using header files to split integers among different files. For instance, we know that we can have different methods, but how do you get like an integer in this file so you can read it in here? If you were to do int bananas, and I know I spelled that wrong, equals 90, math can't, if you do bananas, it says it'll do it, but watch what happens. It doesn't work. This is going to be a really fast tutorial. I don't know. All you have to do is in math. So if you wanted to add, let's say, int get banana count, I keep screwing that up. If you were to return bananas, well, you'd think, well, but it's in here, and how do you do it in here? Really simple. In math.h, all you have to do is follow my steps. Type in extern int bananas, and in here, if you're running, okay, it gives me an error, and the reason for that is because you still have to include math, or no, not capital, math.h, because now math.h includes external bananas, and so this includes bananas too. That's really simple, and if you were to run it, it would work. Okay. And then if you do main.cpp, and cout get banana count, and you have to put in math.h and get banana count, because remember, if you didn't have that, main.cpp wouldn't know what the hell get banana count is, because it's in here. So whenever you're dealing with other files, all methods go into a corresponding header file. I like to keep them the same name. For main.cpp, whichever one's using those methods but don't have them declared in the file, like this one doesn't have this declared in the file, always include whichever header file has those method declarations. And for anything that uses an integer that's being spread among different files, always put in math.h extern int, and they also have to include the header file. So since this is using bananas and since this is using bananas, they both have to include math. If this wasn't, it wouldn't need a return if this didn't have bananas in it, you wouldn't need to include math.h, because it already has a method declarations. It doesn't need a header file for this, because it knows what these are, because it sees them, it makes them, and it knows that adds a check get banana count. For this, however, for main, it doesn't know what they are because it never sees them before until you include whichever one has a method declarations. Really confusing, I'm sure, but as you get more into C++, you become familiar with this, I hope. Thinking what we'll probably do for our next tutorial, I don't know. I know this is a really short one, and I would like to go straight into pointers, but that's kinda far-fetched for now. I don't know. In your next tutorial might be using cin, another really fast tutorial more than likely. Until then, see you later.